Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Investing with Jess. Retire early. So, in today's video, I just want to talk to you guys about the open door stocks. So, if you are an investor or investing in open doors stocks, let me know what's your thoughts in the recent drop in the share price. So, today, September 22nd, 2025, it actually dropped around 11% during the day, and then after market hours it dropped for another 5%. So let me know if you are investing in these stocks and how many shares do you have. So if you are following some of my videos, actually um, I already took my profit for open doors, I think 2 weeks ago, when the share price started to uh, move higher, and there are some speculations about new CEO joining the company. And from the past few days, I think maybe some investors are kind of realize maybe that the share price is um, just following the trend of the maybe hype regarding some news, but they maybe realize that it should at least be backed up by the fundamentals. So I already took some profit, and I only have a few shares. To be exact, I have remaining 200 shares of open door, and that is already part of my profit. So uh, worst case scenario, if the share price will go back down heavily, then still I have more than 50% of my profit are still on the side. So this is just actually 50% of the profit that I'm still keeping in these stocks, because I believe that this downturn will be again turning to another side. So if I see that the stocks price will be oversold, then I will try to look at the support level. Then maybe I'll buy another few shares, just to take advantage of the discounted price again. And as we know, open door stocks is really volatile, and we know that the company has a potential for growth, but I think it will not be in the near term. So having a new CEO which is having a good background from Shopify is already a good news. But again, like what I mentioned in my other video, the execution and the strategy on how the CEO will turn the company into more profitable business is what we need to look or we need to observe, or to really see the results maybe in the upcoming quarter earnings. And we need to hear what's the strategy of the CEO and the financial standing. So of course, like they're saying, it's not really a, I would say, completely a meme stock, but because this is a real business. The only thing is that whether it is profitable now is not clear to most of the investors. So we need to see the financial standings in not only in the next quarterly earning, but maybe in the succeeding reports, so that we can have more confidence in the company. So still I have few shares which is part of my profit, and I will not be buying more until I see that the share price volatility would at least come down, and the support level also of the share price is going to be stabilized. Then I will see if I can add a little bit more for long-term uh, position. So if you are investing in this company, please share your thoughts, and what do you think is the potential of open door for the long run, and how many shares do you have, and is it a profit already? When did you start to invest in open door? If if you have invested in open door for like a higher price, then what's your strategy? Are you uh, buying at the lower price, or did you sell your position at a loss? So please share your story, guys. And like what I said, for me, I entered with this company, or I bought some shares with this company 2 to 3 weeks ago, when the news just recently announced, and also some of the news and maybe hype from the other hedge fund, like the hedge fund manager Eric Jackson is the one who actually leading the belief in the company to be profitable in the future. But I think this kind of momentum will not really continue to to move higher until the business will be more profitable. So let's see what will happen, guys. Tomorrow, is it going to continue to drop, or there will be another volatility to move higher, depending on the reaction of the investors? So many short sellers that are actually betting against the company. So, and then there's another side of the story that some investors, retail investors, also are kind of fighting back with the short sellers. So let's see, it's gonna be interesting. We will look at the results, and in my opinion, in the long run, the business could be profitable, but at what certain level or the price it will go, then we need to really understand the business strategy. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Investing with Jess. So this is the group or community of investors who are looking for some good opportunity to grow their portfolio, mainly dividends investing and short-term trade, and then take some profit just for the short-term investing or trading. So I hope if you are interested with this kind of topic, please do subscribe, and we're gonna discuss more of other companies that has a good potential for our investment. So thank you very much, guys. We'll talk to you in my next video.